Hey guys, this is going to be a super quick unboxing video. I just got my Google Pixel 9a and let's go ahead and open the box. UPS just delivered it. All right. Here she is. Some paperwork in it. All right, all right, all right. Beautiful, cute little box. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, feels good. All right. My gosh, there we go. Oh, okay, sweet. Google Pixel 9a. I love the packaging. Here she is. I ordered, I think this is called Obsidian Black or Obsidian color. Very nice, very handy, super light. I love it. Has kind of a vibe, iPhone vibe. And here's a Type-C to Type-C male charging cable. There's a little paperwork. And that's about it. This is all it came with this. And here's the case I ordered for it. Pixel 9a thin fit made by Spigen or Spigen, like Americans say. Here's the case. This case is magnetic, MagSafe compatible. And boom. Absolutely love it. This is Pixel 9a by Google, newest Google phone, and I can't wait to start using it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Teo Steak video.